हेलो एवरीवन। आफ्टर सीइंग द ब्रेकल प्लेक्सिस हम सारे की सारी जो नर्व्स है उनकी रूट वैल्यूज़ को याद करके विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द वाइवा पर्पस एंड इसके थ्रू ही आप कोई भी क्लिनिकल और अप्लाइड एनाटॉमी पढ़ सकते हैं। सो द रूट वैल्यूज़, तो इसके अंदर रूट वैल्यूज़ कौन कौन से आ सकते हैं, लाइक C5, C6, C7, C8 एंड T1। इतने से ब्रेकियल फ्लेक्सस का फॉर्म होता है, तो इतनी रूट वैल्यू देखने को मिलेगी। नाउ फर्स्ट हम उन सब की रूट वैल्यूज को समझ लेंगे जिसकी समझना बहुत ही ज़्यादा ईजी है। लाइक हियर यू कैन सी कि सीधा रूट में से कौन कौन से ब्रांचेस का फॉर्मेशन होता था। तो लाइक C5 इज गिविंग राइज टू द डोर्सल स्कैपुलर नर्व। सो C5 इज गिविंग राइज टू द डोर्सल स्कैपुलर नर्व, सो उसकी रूट वैल्यू सिंपली हो जाएगी C5। नाउ द डोर्सल स्कैपुलर नर्व इज सप्लाइंग टू मसल लेवेटर स्कैपुली, rhomboides minor and rhomboides major. Now the long thoracic nerve, which is the nerve to the serratus anterior, also known as the nerve of the bell, उसकी रूट वैल्यूज क्या थी जो हमने डायग्राम में पढ़ी थी पिछली बार, विच इज C5, C6 एंड C7. सो ये बोथ डोर्सल स्कैपुलर नर्व C5, long thoracic nerve was the nerve of the bell or nerve to the serratus anterior is the C5, C6 and C7. Now from the trunk, so C5 and C6 combining forming the upper trunk, and that upper trunk is giving two branches, which is the suprascapular nerve and the nerve to subclavius. So suprascapular nerve and nerve to subclavius, suprascapular and nerve to subclavius, C5 and C6. Now this nerve, suprascapular nerve, is giving supply to two muscles mainly. First is the supraspinatus muscle, second is the infraspinatus muscle, and now to the subclavius is obviously it is giving supply to the subclavius muscle. Now from the chords, so we have three chords: lateral chord, medial chord and the posterior chord. So lateral chord had three branches, LML, so which is the lateral pectoral nerve, musculocutaneous nerve and lateral root to the median nerve. Now lateral pectoral nerve, musculocutaneous nerve and this lateral root of median nerve, उन तीनों की सप्लाई होगी C5, C6 and C7 के थ्रू. How? Because the chord are formed, the lateral chord is formed by what? The anterior division of the upper and the middle trunk, and upper trunk is formed by the C5 and C6 and middle trunk is formed by the C7. So it is obvious that इसकी जो root value है C5, C6 and C7 होगी. In the median chord you can easily understand this fourth supply, but the fifth supply, which is the ulnar nerve, it is very hard. So we are going to first see the four branches, which is M, and U. So M, which is median pectoral nerve, medial cutaneous nerve of arm, medial cutaneous nerve of forearm, and medial root of median nerve, giving its root from C8 and T1. How? Because it is formed by what? It is formed by the anterior division of the lower trunk. So lower trunk is formed by C8 and T1, so it is obvious. But the ulnar nerve is giving its root from C7, C8 and T1. So you can remember that all the branches from the medial chord is C8 and T1, and ulnar is having one more, which is C7. obvious T2 तो होगा नहीं. उसके बाद है the posterior chord के अंदर हमें न्यूमोनिक्स रखा था ulnar, which is ULNAR. So U and L, which is upper and lower subscapular nerve, C5 and C6. इन जो पोस्टीरियर कोड है उसके अंदर हमें रूट वैल्यूज जो है वो थोड़ी याद रखनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि इसके अंदर जो है ऑलमोस्ट सारे के सारे रूट वैल्यूज आते हैं, बट सारे के सारे उस नर्व्स को रूट नहीं देते. सो अपर एंड लोअर सबस्केपुलर नर्व C5 and C6, and also the axillary nerve is C5 and C6. So these three nerves are C5 and C6 root valued. But the nerve to the latissimus dorsi, also known as thoracodorsal nerve, it is C5, C6, C7 and C8. So nerve to latissimus dorsi, root values C6, C7 and C8. Radial nerve, all the root values, that means C5 to C8 and T1. So it is about the posterior chord. And the median nerve is also having all the root values, which is C5 to C8 and T1. Why? Because उसके जो दो रूट है, which is here, this lateral root and the medial root. So सबको मिला देंगे तो हमारे ये पूरा का पूरा रूट वैल्यू देखने को मिलेगा. So it is very easy to remember all the root values. We will quickly see dorsal scapular nerve C5, long thoracic nerve C5, C6, C7, suprascapular nerve and the nerve to subclavius C5 and C6. From the codes, lateral chord LML, which is C5, C6 and C7. Medial chord 4M and 1U. The 4M is giving root from C8 and T1, when the U, ulnar nerve, is giving rise from the C7, C8 and T1. And from the posterior chord, upper subscapularis, lower subscapular and axillary nerve from C5 and C6. Now to latissimus masseter from C6, C7 and C8, and radial nerve from all the root, and medial nerve also from the ulnar root. So you have to remember this. Okay, then the ulnar, radial and the axillary. इन 5 मेन ब्रांचेस जो है उनकी आपको रूट वैल्यू 100% पता होनी ही चाहिए. एंड ऑल्सो दिस द लॉन्ग थोरेसिक नर्व, इसकी रूट वैल्यू भी बहुत ही ज्यादा IMP है फॉर द वाइवा पर्पस. ओके, थैंक यू.